So I'm going to just do question 19 for you. This was a tricky one. So what I did was I just said I'd just do a quick video just to show you how it works, okay? So I'm just going to take a picture of this here. There's a little bit of thought in this, I suppose, and it is quite complicated. So have a quick look at this here, right? So we start off, we need to show the coefficient of x cubed b squared cd. In this expansion here is 420. So your first step or your first move is going to be you've got a plus b plus c plus d, and that's to the power of 7. And we can't expand that, okay, because the usual and only expansion, it's two things we need. So what I'm going to do here is as follows. I'm going to make a and b one thing, and b and c and d, sorry, another. So I'm just going to let that equal to x, and that equal to y, just for handiness sake. So I can now say that that's just going to be x plus y to the power of 7. So using the binomial expansion, that's x to the power of 7 plus 7x to the power of 6y plus, now it's 7 choose 2, which is 21. That's 21x to the power of 5y squared. So this is just following on from the binomial expansion. Goes to 7 choose 3, and that's going to be, so you do your calculator, 7 choose 3, which is 35. So it's 35x to the power of 4, y to the power of 3. And then you have 7 choose 4, which is the same thing, which is 35. So it's 35x to the power of 3, y to the power of 4, plus 21x to the power of 2, y to the power of 5. So this is just following the rules of binomial expansion. You'll notice that all these powers, it's y to the power of 1, all add up to 7, because 7 is there. And then we're working backwards, so it's 7x, y to the power of 6, plus y to the power of 7. Now, what's key here is as follows, is this bit here. Okay, so you're asked to show that a cubed b, now remember we've let a plus b equal to x. So a cubed b squared, 3 plus 2 equals 5. So we have here, just here, x to the power of 5. But you also know c and d, c to the power of 1 and d to the power of 1, okay, is 2. So that's the expansion we're working on. So that's what it is there when that's expanded. Okay, so we're going to get a plus b to the power of 5, and when we get a cubed b squared, whatever that number is, we're going to multiply it by 21, and the y squared is going to be c plus d squared, and whatever that is. So that's should equal to 420. Okay, so I'm going to expand x is equal to a plus b. So we're going to do a plus b to the power of 5. Okay, so let's go on here. So I've got a plus b to the power of 5. So that's a to the power of 5 plus 5a to the power of 4 times b. Now this is the one we're interested in. Okay, this is the one we're interested in, because it's going to be now, if you've got 5 choose 2 is 10. So it's 10a cubed b squared. So that's what we're interested in. Okay? And then you continue on, and it's going to be 10a squared b cubed plus 5a, this doesn't matter, b to the power of 4 plus b to the power of 5. So what we're interested in is this. So the coefficient there is 10. So the coefficient of a cubed b squared is 10. Now, the next part we're interested in is we've got c plus d, because if you look here, and again we let c plus d equal to y, okay? And I have here it's y squared, so I want to just do c plus d squared. So I'm just going to do it down here. You're right. Okay. So I've got c plus d squared. Now that's fairly straightforward. It's equal to c squared plus 2cd plus d squared. Now, again, look here. So, cd, what's the coefficient of cd? It's 2. Because when we multiply, if we multiplied all this out, that's the only case where you'd have, if you multiply them two there, you'd have that there, right? And that's where we get that. So we know that the coefficient is 10 and 2. So 21x to to the power of 5y squared. Okay, that's equal to 21. Now, the x to the power of 5 part was 10a cubed b squared, and the y squared part was 2cd. So when I multiply that out, what do I get? 21 times 10 is 210 times 2 is 420. So it's 420 a cubed b squared cd. That's the only part that can be equal to that. So to recap, what I did was, to expand this, I have to simplify it and get it in the right format. I talk about formats all the time, and that's where you use substitution. So you let x equal to a plus b, and c, and y equal to c plus d. You expand it out. And then what you're looking for here is as follows, because 3 plus 2 is 5, and 1 plus 1 is 2. That's the key one there. So now we want to expand a plus b to the power of 5, and c plus d to the power of 2. And within that then we get our a cubed b squared, which is what we were looking for here, and we get our CD, which is what we're looking for. So then you look, you get they're the ones we're looking for, 2 and 10. So bringing it all together, so we know that that's equal to, just to write up here, but that's really equal to 21 now. That's a plus b to the power of 3 c plus d squared, and it's only within that expansion. Within that, there's a piece of it that will get you that, which shows that 420, and that's what we're looking for. Okay? Any hassles, give me an email with that. Alright?